So, first lesson of the school year. Either you have the packet because I gave it to you, or you don't have the packet. If you don't have the packet, what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to Schoology, see where it says week 1, and then you're going to come down here where it says Appendix A, and here's the packet. So it takes a second to download. But here's the packet. So let me see. And we're starting right. Let's see if I can make it work. It's taking a while to download, of course. And there's the packet as well. Okay? If you want to make it bigger, you can use this, and that makes it full screen. Okay? Let's go back to this. I need you to do me a favor and click on Algebra Tiles. So I need everybody to open that. And I want you to make it bigger. So I want you to come over here and click that. Okay? All right, let's go back to this. So let's do the first problem. So what they're asking us to do is, and I'm going to highlight, if you can highlight, great. If you can't, great, is simplify. Simplify means make things easier. Okay? So if you look, there's this and this and this and this and this and this. We want to put them together. Okay? So we have 3x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to move this over here so we can kind of see it a little bit better. Let me zoom that in a little bit here so that we're good to go. All right, we're going to take this and we're going to put it here. So I see I have 3x. So I come over here, here's the x. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And then I see the next one, and it's a 5. So now I come down to here, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I go back, and let's see, the next one is x squared. So, there's an x squared. And then y. So I come over here, there's a y. And then 3x squareds. So I come over here. 1. Oh, look, they're the same. 1, 2, 3. And then I come back and I have the number 2. So now I come over here and I go 1. Should I put it here? Nope, not the same. 1, 2. Okay? So now I go back and I see that I have 1, 2, 3 x's. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go 3x. And then I look over here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 7. And then I come remove this. Oops. And I look here and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Always put a plus in the middle. 4x squareds plus. Let's see what else I have. It's not letting me move it. I don't know why. Okay. And I have 1y. Okay, I don't know where it's going here. Sorry, let me pause this really quick. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, sorry about that. And then I have 1y. All right? So there's my answer. When it says the number of terms, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the next one. And I'm going to clear this. Let's figure out how to clear it. Okay? Let me pause real quick and see if I can figure out how to clear it. Okay, so if I want to clear it, I come over here. See where it says that? I go like that, and it clears it. Okay? So let's come back over here, and I have 2x squareds. 1, 2. I need you to be trying this too. I have a 1. 1. And then I have an x, y. So I don't take this, and I don't take that. I come down up here. Let's see. There's the x and the y. There's an xy. An x squared. Same. And then I have 2 xy's. 1. Should I put it here? Nope. 1, 2. And then I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write my answer. Let's make sure we do this. So I have 1, 2, 3x squared. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always put a plus. Plus 1, 2, 3, 3xy. There's my answer. I have 1, 2, 3 terms. All right, let's go to the next one. So here we go. Let's put that there. Clear it up. Okay, let's come back over here. I've got a 2. 1, 2. Then I come over here. X squared. X squared. And then 3x. Should I put it here? Nope. 1, 2, 3. And then a y squared. And then 4 y's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then an xy. Okay, so do I look? Are any of these the same? Nope. So now I go straight to write the answer. So I have 2 plus xy plus y squared plus x squared plus 4 y's plus 3 x's. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. All right, let's do the last one. Okay, let's clear it up. Clear it up. And let's start again. All right, 3 y's. 1, 2, 3. I have 2. 1, 2. Put them closer together. I have 2 xy's. 1, 2. And I have 4 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a y squared. Nope. I have 4 y's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have a 1. Okay. I did all of it, so now let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 y's plus y squared plus 4x plus 3 plus, let me move that over a little bit, so let me zoom it out a little bit. Okay. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the number of terms. Okay, so you can always use this to help you. All right, now we're going to do something different. So let me get out of that. Let me make this bigger. Let me zoom it out. Okay, so this is going to look a little bit different. I want you to see whenever it's this color, it's positive. It's positive. Whenever it's this color, it's negative. It's negative. And you need to be writing this, okay? You need to be writing this. So what I want you to do is this. Whenever you see things in this with a minus, you're going to use parentheses. So all of that will get a parenthesis. All right, so let's look at this. So we see this, and this is gray, is positive. White. Actually, we don't have to worry about white right now, so let's just do gray. 1, 2. So we have 2x. Then we go minus parentheses. So we're going to go minus parentheses. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay. let's go to the next one. This isn't gray, this is white. When it's white, it's negative. So I have 1, 2, 3, negative 3x. And then minus all of this. So now minus all of that. I have an xy plus 2. So there's minus parentheses. Let's try the next one. Gray is positive. Okay, so let me make sure I highlight that. Gray is positive, white is negative. So that's gray, so that's x squared. Then I have minus all of this. So minus all of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's white, negative 4, plus gray is positive, y. Let's go to the next one. I see all of this. Are these two the same? I have these two. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 2x. Now, if you look, I have 2 grays, so I have 2 pluses, and I have a minus. So I have a plus, and a minus. If you look over here, a plus and a minus cancel each other out. So that means this and this cancel, and I'm just left with this one, plus 1. And then now minus all of this. So now I go minus 1, 2, 3. Okay? So now we're going to do something a little bit different. Whenever we see a minus, what we're going to do is, whenever we say that, we're going to change. So this turns into a plus, this turns into a minus. So now this is 2x, we don't need that, minus 3. Done. Okay. Whenever I see a minus, this changes to plus, this changes to minus, this changes to minus. Now, negative 3x, I don't care about the plus, minus xy, minus 2. Done. This is a minus, or this is a minus, I changed to plus. This is also a plus, and this one's a minus. Change it. Okay? So that would be x squared, I don't need it, plus 4, oops, minus y. Whenever I see a minus, that's a plus, that's a minus. I don't need it. 2x plus 1 minus 3. But here's the problem with this one. If you look, these are the same things. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. That's a positive 1. So that's like I have a positive, and here I have 1, 2, 3 negatives. Remember when we had a positive and negative? They were gone. So it's 2x minus 2. Okay? All right. So now we're going to go to the next one, and I'm going to do the next video.